So you went through all these imaginary changes that you were going to make, and all you did was strip crap out of trailers and motorhomes. You made it worse. Look, there is if you take every single 2023 in Canada and the United States, and you take every 2022 that's left in Canada and the United States, we have, as an industry, an 18-month supply of RVs to sell if it's a okay market. We are in a garbage economy where people are having a tough time putting food on the table. So that family of 5, family of 6 that normally comes out and buys a bunkhouse travel trailer, they're gone. They're out of the market until the economy gets better. So now that they're gone and they're not buying the 24 to 28 to 29 foot bunkhouse anymore, that crap's sitting on dealership lots. And the only way it's going away is if you take massive losses. I've taken almost, what did I calculate it? I think I took $600,000 in losses in the selling price of bunkhouse travel trailers and 2022 and 23 toy haulers. That's this year, guys, 600 grand. Imagine if tomorrow I told you I was gonna wipe out your bank account. I took $600,000 in losses in the selling prices of the units. I made some of it back in trades. I made some of it back in bank financing. So I didn't lose a total of 600 grand, but just in the sales price, just in the price of what I'm selling them for, $600,000 since May 3rd. And dealerships across the country are doing the same thing, trying to shrink their inventory down. And it makes it tough because now there's a war that's a private war that's not being said or not being talked about outwardly between the dealerships and the manufacturers. And this time, I'm completely on the dealership's side of the war. I want to cuss somebody out at the factories. I want to get in front of Bob Martin, get in front of P Legal, get in front of the heads of Winnebago, get in front of the heads of every single major manufacturer, brand, GM, and tell them you all are stupid idiots in a lot more foul language than that. Shut it down. Do not build another 2024 until March. Leave the Canadian dealers alone. Leave the American dealers alone. We will survive the next 4 months if you shut up and stop calling us. Stop calling me. Now, some of you know you can call me anytime. Some of the reps know they can call me. I'll give them information. But for the rest of you knuckleheads that call me going, hey, do you think that Glenn and Andrew will order? Hey, do you think that Camping World, do you know anybody at Camping World that'll order right now? Do you know anybody at Bish's? Because I can't get a hold of anybody. You know what? Take your phone, chuck it into Lake Erie, and then go dig for it around the end of February. Leave us alone. We aren't ordering. We're not ordering because we already, as an industry, Camping World, Bish's, Lazy Days, General RV, I know I'm missing people, Blue Compass, Beaumont RV Inc., Bobby Combs RV, Apache Camping, Haugen Group, Ron Hoover. We are all sick and tired of the manufacturers calling us, begging us for orders, when we can't even get rid of the stuff on our lot as it sits because there's no help from the factory. So we just decided as an industry, this is what we decided as an entire industry. The majority of us that are going to stay in business, that aren't going to climb out of business or sell, we all made a decision that we're done. We're going to force the action. We're going to get rid of stuff. My buddy Andrew helps run the Bobby Wayne's RV store. He took an $18,000 loss on a Shockwave toy hauler to make the deal. I have personally took a $28,000 loss this last month on a Bighorn fifth wheel. Our San Diego location, along with the 3 other San Diego locations, have taken $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 losses on inventory. Most people are like, you're not losing money. Absolutely. We are getting crushed right now, and there's no help. The manufacturers don't want to help us. Oh, here's $500. Hey, I could get you $250. I know you're losing 18 grand, but I'm gonna give you $250. There's a good type of greed, okay?